Page 65, interval stretch. It's all in the title. Well, intervals, you remember what intervals are? There's between two notes. We got intervals here, intervals of a fourths and fifths and thirds, even seconds are there. We're all there. Stretching is where you're moving beyond the 5-finger position, but we're not doing that. I'm not sure where the stretch is coming from, but okay. So introducing a new time signature of 2/4. Well, there's just 2 beats in a measure, but they're still counting quarter notes. So let's look interval stretch over, 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, we're in the key of G major, 2/4 time, so we're only counting to 2. We got quarter notes and half notes. The right hand's playing the first line, the left hand's playing the second, so let's try that out and see what happens. You're starting with thumb on G in the right hand so that you're in G position, and you just hear. That's the interval of a third, recognize that? Then you got interval of a fourth, and an interval of a fifth, okay? You're wondering, so where's the interval of a second? No, it's in the first measure. That's an interval of a second, but it's a melodic interval. Remember melodic and harmonic intervals? Melodic is when it's 1 note at a time, like a melody. Harmonic, that's where they're together, like in the block chord here. Melodic interval, and then a harmonic interval, and then a melodic interval. They're all there. Second line, left hand, your thumb on D, and you should know that's a D. You're in G position, so it's basically the same thing that the right hand was doing. It's a mirror image of it. That's all. Okay. Comfortable with the notes? More or less. As far as the articulation goes, they have the phrasing. The first line is a phrase. Lift up. And the second line is lift up, so there's a little silence between the first and second line. Okay. Dynamics, somewhere in the middle. Just whatever you think it is. It's all melody. And as far as the speed goes, andante again. Casual. Don't rush this. It's just a casual. Not slow, just casual stroll. That's my andante for now. I've had another cup of coffee. It might be slightly different. It's just somewhere in a nice, gentle. Let's play this together slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts because it's in 2/4 time. So I'm going to go ready, go. That's 2 counts. Ready, go. 1, 2. 2. 2. 2. 2.